everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout, and today I am scrapping my stepson and daughter-in-law. They appear with kids in their albums, but not very often by themselves. So she sent me these photos of what they were doing, and I actually had two of the kids on this weekend, but she sent me some photos of this because they stayed in this cozy, cute little cabin, and just the things that some of the things that they were doing, and how cute the cabin was and that kind of thing. It was like a tiny house, really, basically. So I'm starting out with that aqua sweater paper there, and that is Echo Park A Perfect Winter. It's a 3x4 journaling cards paper, and I'm just going to take these 6 photos here and put them down. Really simple, not fooling around a lot with what I'm going to do for this particular side of the page. Just making it super simple and super easy, because there's a lot going on in those photos. So that is, by the way, the dog there is Jingle, the family dog. So he's so sweet, but he's crazy. Anyway, so now I'm going to mat these photos on this polka dot paper. And that's the Echo Park A Perfect Winter Snowman Fun paper. And I'm just kind of looking to see how much space I have. I want that kind of same space on either sides of photos. So I want this mat to be big and really impactful. So if I remember correctly, it was about an inch, about 10 inches, so an inch on either side. And that's going on that snowflake paper, which is from Echo Park Hello Winter, the Winter Snowflake paper. And then that journaling card there that you see that I just flipped because I wanted the snowflakes to be on the top, that came from Ellie's Studio, from an old collection. I think it was one of the Christmas collections, maybe even. If not that, it was an old journaling card winter collection, but it's very old. It's actually almost a creamy color, which is something that when I first started scrapbooking, that's what their colors were. Or when I first started buying them, that's what their colors were. My first Christmas collection from them, when they still did 12 by 12, was in that, which I loved. I loved their 12 by 12 Christmas collections and really missed them. All right, so now I have that done. So now I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Like, what am I going to add to this? So then I found this die cut from the Crate Paper Snow and Cocoa collection, and I really like that. It says, if snowflakes were kisses, I'd send you a blizzard, which I think is kind of cute because, it's the two of them. And then I have this chipboard from, again, the Snow and Cocoa collection, the chipboard accents. This isn't also an older collection, but I'm still using lots of elements from this. And I just kind of liked, even though that's kind of Christmassy and this took place in February, there's a lot of trees and a lot of snow and that kind of stuff here. So even though it's kind of Christmassy themed, I'm going to look past that and just add this in. And they, like me, love Christmas and actually put their tree up early, as I like to do sometimes as well. So it's perfectly appropriate to have some Christmassy stuff on here. So then I'm kind of trying to figure out, that is a chipboard snowflake from that Snow and Cocoa collection. So thinking I'm going to put 2 chipboard snowflakes down there. Kind of need to get that down. All right. And then I'm going to, I have 2 sheets of this chipboard left. I don't have a ton. I think I got one at a really bargain price. So I added another one of those trees on the other side. And that then will kind of complete what I'm thinking for the majority of these. Now I want to come in with some accents. And these glitter snowflakes are from Hobby Lobby. They're from a Christmas paper crafting collection that's a few years old. So you're not going to necessarily find these available, but maybe they'll have something like it if you have a Hobby Lobby near you. I know they do, by the time you see this, they might, who knows what their Christmas things are going to look like, but they might have them in their regular assortments. And we all know Kelly has a love of snowflakes. I'm definitely starting to use them up. All right, so it's just playing around with how am I going to do this, because I love the aqua because it brings in the aqua from the background paper, and I do like the white as well. So what I'm deciding now is I'm going to put one aqua and one white in each of the spots that I put the snowflakes. So there's 2 here, so that I'm pulling the design elements across the paper. So obviously I've got the aqua colors, and then I have the chipboard trees, and now I'm going to add the snowflakes to the left page and the right page. And that right page, there's a lot going on, so I don't need a ton of embellishment, but I think a little bit is nice in this particular case. And there we go. I do need to get a title on this yet, though. So kind of grabbing those. I saved the information. She gave me the information for this little weekend getaway place just because it was so cute. So kind of toying with maybe doing that this upcoming winter if we have some time. Although there's a lot of vacation planned for early. All right, so now I'm using my Doodlebug alphabet soup in white, which we all know is Kelly's favorite new alphabet. And I want to get in weekend away, but it's a little too long, so I'm going to kind of snug everything up together here. All right, so just getting that title down. And I'm actually being very brave, and I'm not using anything to make sure that's straight. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.